Hey, art nerds! I have a package fresh in today, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So last Friday or Saturday, it was really only a couple days ago, I was browsing the manga shop because my friend Kabocha sent me a link since they were having a big sale. And there are a few items I noticed on here that were for a phenomenal price. So even though I'm kind of on an art supply diet, I ended up ordering some. And I ordered them from the US shop. This does not quite look correct. So I'm gonna tempted to kind of try and pull up what I found. Basically, I ordered alcohol markers, some ink, and some paper. Not a whole lot, but it arrived today. So I think I ordered it on Friday, and I think it arrived today. Well, I know it arrived today on Monday. Before I let you go, this is the Japanese side of the site. So they've got a lot more on here than what they are prepared to ship to the US. And since they're fulfilling out of California, that kind of makes sense. They can probably only list what they can actually offer. They've got some really cool things like this. It's like, probably it's archival, but it's like a white deleter pen. And when I was in Japan, I picked up a white brush pen that I still need to show off for you guys. So here's the link to the English site. So they haven't quite revamped this, and where I purchased my stuff from looked more like the Japanese, but obviously it was in English because I cannot read kanji or hiragana or katakana. So obviously it was in something that I could actually understand. Yeah. And although I ordered it from the Deleter manga shop, Deleter is a manga supply manufacturer, it was shipped by Sakaido in Daly City to me. So let's go ahead and rip this package open. And inside my package is another package. Actually, another 2 packages and my receipt. So I need 2 hands to disembowel these. But isn't that what terrible gooseneck clamps are for? I think this is my ink. Boy, yo, they really utilize priority mail packaging. And I ordered Deleter Black. This is the matte waterproof ink. I think I've used Deleter 4 in the past. What else? What else could be in here? I actually know what can be in here because I ordered it and paid for it. But y'all don't know. Alright, so we have our sale goodies. And y'all, these Neo Pico colors, it's the grayscale set. I got these for such a good deal. So Deleter mislisted these, apparently, because some people's orders were canceled. But since I ordered more than just markers, they fulfilled it. All 12 of these were going for like $11.99. Like a crazy good deal. You're not going to be able to get that anymore. Really, that listing was intended instead for their sets of 3. But, you know, that's why it pays to keep an eye on things. And we get 12 beautiful grayscales. Well, really, we get 11 in a solvent. Which is good because I have a big Neo Pico color unboxing. Well, I did the unboxing swatch already, and then I picked up some more colors when I was at Sakaido in Tokyo. And I've been kind of like slowly ordering the Neo Pico colors, which is kind of like their new version. Let me see if I can grab one of the older ones that Kabocha sent me. So these are the older ones, Neo Pico 2. These are kind of the revised ones. They should have a brush tip and they should be refillable. So fine tip, which I never use, and then a brush tip. Woo! Snow White. So this is like the lightest of the grays. I also purchased some paper. the comic illustration and drawing paper. I have a lot of manga paper that I picked up while I was in Japan in various sizes, so I definitely need to do something with all of this. This is for markers. Color marker papier, Papa ER pad, but they spelled it right here, so good job. But I am really excited, as Bowie, really excited to kind of mess around with these. If I'd been smart, I would have gotten an alcohol-proof ink because my Kaime Soul K has run out. I wasn't really thinking, but that's okay. So, I hope you guys will look forward to future videos where I play and demonstrate all these art supplies. Thank you guys so much for watching.